Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and welcome to this beautiful home here at 12 Hadfield Ave in Waterview. Wonderfully renovated and ready to go. This is going to knock your socks off. Let's go and check it out. The home's been lovingly restored by our current owners with such great taste and an eye for detail, you will love it. The main level of the home comprises of 3 double bedrooms, a master with an ensuite, and a family bathroom. There's an open plan kitchen and dining, and this will be the heart of the home for families, and it's equally suited to breakfast before school or dinner parties. There's a large separate living for escaping adults or teenagers, and it has amazing views out over the Waitakere Ranges and Inner Harbour. An attic space is a total bonus and is large enough for a workshop, office or masses of storage. Under the house has a large basement area again with so many potential uses. The additional secret that makes this home even more appealing is the downstairs space. An additional room below the home with a separate entrance. It has its own bathroom and it's superbly set up for guests, teenagers or working from home without interruption. The large garden is drenched in sun and has views right across Auckland to the Waitakeres, and you have 2 off-street car parks to complete the package. This is a fantastic home and we are absolutely excited to show you through. Come along on the weekend to the open homes or give us a call to make an appointment. See you here.